This is RegisteredNurseRN.com, and in this video we're going to cover legal nurse consultants. Now, legal nurse consultants are registered nurses with an exceptional level of expertise, and it's a very exciting and interesting career. And in this video we're going to briefly cover the job description, the certification process, the salary, and the job outlook for this specialty within nursing. So, first of all, legal nurse consultants provide their services to businesses, prosecutors, and attorneys. They offer medical consulting for civil and criminal cases based on their pharmacological and forensic expertise. Legal nurse consultants are viewed as liaisons between healthcare and legal professionals. And they help their clients by reviewing medical records to help lawyers decide if medical malpractice occurred or if workers' compensation should be issued. These nurses can offer their expert knowledge to attorneys in preparation for a deposition. For example, legal nurse consultants can prepare the attorneys for cases by assisting them with learning nursing or medical terminology for an upcoming court case. Additional areas in which legal nurse consultants provide medical or legal expertise includes toxic torts, personal injuries, healthcare investigations, medical malpractice, product liability, and risk management. Legal nurse consultants are in great demand due to their skills and expertise in nursing. They offer first-hand knowledge that businesses and attorneys need at a fraction of the cost that doctors charge for their expertise. And they're often used as expert witnesses during court cases as well, so that's interesting. It's possible to specialize in several areas as a legal nurse consultant, including acute care nursing, geriatrics, or diabetes management. And they choose a particular area of certification while working in hospitals and clinics as registered nurses in most cases before they become experienced in as legal nurse consultants. So, okay, let's talk about the certification process. First of all, you're going to need to become a registered nurse, and what that will require is that you get either an associate's degree in nursing, which is called the ADN, or the bachelor's degree in nursing. It needs to be either of those degrees, and you can, once you pass that successfully, that degree program, then you can sit for the NCLEX RN exam, which is the state board's test, and at that point you become a licensed RN. And once you do that, there is an American Legal Nurse Consultant Certification Board. It's one of the certifications that are most widely used. So once you get your license as an RN, and perhaps sometimes they like for you to work a year or two, or sometimes even up to 5 years before you become a legal nurse consultant, just because you'll have that experience and more specific knowledge in that particular area. But you can go ahead and apply for the American Legal Nurse Consultant Certification Board and to get that credential. And once you do that, you'll be ready to go. Now, what about the salary? Well, with this particular area of nursing, as you can imagine, there are so many lawsuits out there. We live in a very litigious society, so it's a very lucrative area of nursing, and it's also experiencing a lot of high demand with insurance fraud, with malpractice, and so forth. So these nurses can sometimes make an hourly wage of up to $70 to $250 per hour, which is quite substantial. Now, as far as the salary range of a certified legal nurse consultant is about $67,000 to $80,000 per year. And the top states that offer the highest salaries are California, Massachusetts, Hawaii, Maryland, New Jersey, Alaska, District of Columbia, Oregon, Nevada, and New York, respectively. So those are the states that offer the highest compensation. And again, sometimes you can work as a nurse and do legal consulting on the side, and sometimes you can just throw your hat in and focus completely on legal nurse consulting. So again, it's a very fascinating career. As far as the job outlook, well, nursing in general is going to grow and estimated faster than any other occupation out there, according to one survey by the Bureau of Labor Statistics, over the next decade. So that's very fast growing, a lot of demand for nursing in general. And a legal nurse consultant, again, with so many lawsuits and so many malpractice and insurance fraud and so forth, it's going to be a pretty steady demand. And there are over 1 million licensed attorneys who will need the assistance of a legal nurse consultant to help with those medical aspects over time. So it looks like it's going to be a very steady career at this point over the next decade or two. If you're interested in becoming a legal nurse consultant, please stop by our website. It's RegisteredNurseRN.com. We have a lot of articles to help you advance your career in nursing, to help you understand how to become a licensed RN, how to pass nursing school, how to apply to nursing school. We have all kinds of articles to help you out. So thank you so much for watching and have a great day.